how to buy my network token. So this token came under the symbol of FHE. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic experts. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on MEXC. You can buy it on your account. So first of all, what you need to do, just go and log into your MEXC account like that. Now if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now after that, what you need to do, just type the token name. In this case it will be FHA. Now after that, you will be able to find this pair that have USDT. Now click on it. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. Now as you can see, now you can buy this token on your account. So first of all, click on limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of the USDT on your account. Now click on buy FHE. Now if you select the market option, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy FHE token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.